Aquí estamos y no nos vamos, como dice la gente. Vamos ahorita con los camaradas a encontrarnos en la Buc-ee's en este bonito domingo. Y les voy a decir otra vez que here we go. We're about to start on this little ride cruise. Galveston ride, guys. We're back at it again. We got Pablo up front. We got oils and gears in this Third Coast XP Gen 2. And we got the white girl in the back. Both for Drifter, and I'm on an orange Drifter. This Turk got no radio this time. I'm trying to upgrade. We're actually going to go drive up to Buc-ee's now. Meet up with the rest of the crew. It's a wonderful day. Decided to bring the orange one out. The Drifter, it's been a while. I haven't brought it out. And so I got a little upgrades on it as well. Got some little maintenance fixed on it. But it's running good. The AC is awesome. I'm talking about awesome. I know, like I said, right now we're heading up to Buc-ee's on Texas City. Meet up with the rest of the guys. Hopefully, we got some new people coming up. I think from San Antonio, I'm not for sure. From Conroe. And if they do come through, I appreciate it. If they don't come through, well, I appreciate it. Come next time. Don't forget to follow us. Check us out as we roll with the Scionlifestyle Car Club. If you like watching this video, please subscribe and like and share. Let you guys know, your friends, guys, everybody know that we're driving Scion. You know, check us out. We got a lot of things coming up soon. You know, to proceed to the next step. So my next step is help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm willing. Y'all help, more appreciation for all of y'all do, liking, subscribing, and commenting as well. I like to respond back to y'all comments. I really appreciate that. Let me know what else can I put some kind of content that you like. You know, there's plenty of content I can put. G-Town, guys, G-Town. We're here at G-Town, little park. Appreciate everybody coming by again. Another beautiful day, another wonderful day. I can't lie, it's just the sun is so strong. I tell you, but here with the guys, you got a new member, came by from Conroe. Yes, they can zoom into it. I can't zoom into it, but yeah. Hopefully we go get a nice little spot for a little bit of photo shoot and video. Yeah, make sure I stay tuned. I'm telling you, it's a lot more to come. A lot more to come. Woo! You can see it. It's toasting it. It's toasting it. So, go bug these guys. I say we can go to Tukey's. Tukey's sound good too. Man, I don't want to go to Golden Corral. We're out here. We are outside. Outside in this heat, guys. It is torching, but in Galveston with the car club. That's how it is. Having a great day today. Enjoying it. Here we go. About to start a nice little video shoot. Waiting for a couple of more people to come through. As you can see, today, no lie, as we also have a A new member of Gen 2 come in from Conroe, that's for sure. Just a little look, little view. Like I said, guys, I enjoy everyone following, commenting, subscribing, sharing. I like to respond to your comments as well. Make sure y'all leave some. Let me know what kind of content y'all want to know about, want to see. That little noise. What the hell is that? Makes a lot of little noise. I don't know why. It makes noise. Again, guys, let me know. Tell me what kind of content would you like me to provide for us so I can get an idea what we do with this car club as well, with these cars. We're here eating at Gordita's Mexican restaurant, guys. It was hot. So hot, I had to get a modelo. Yeah. No, that's not, that was not my answer. Homeboy back there. Sweet. Stopped at this last location, guys, which is the dead end of Galveston seawall. Not about things of the seawall, my favorite was it, but it's the end of the dead end of Galveston, besides the ferry. But we're here at our last stop for the day because the damn sun is cooking us. De verdad que sí, nos está cociendo el sol ahorita. Que sé que sí. Hasta la melona la siento con ganas. Pero estamos y no nos vamos porque no nos corren, dice. Vamos con toda la gente. Un poquito de video porque estamos acá presentando Scionlifestyle Car Club. Es fuerza. Esta chulada, miren. Pues sube. Esta es la cajita del Big. Eso. Como siempre, la Purple Drifter y el Orange Drifters. Siempre juntos. Gen 2 de Oils and Gears. And make sure you're following Oils and Gears on YouTube. Subscribe. Make sure everybody happy, guys. You guys a lot of cool videos. Needing some work in your XP? He's the guy to ask. Yes. As you said, guys, we went to go eat at the little restaurant, Mexican restaurant. It was good. It was good. Got away from the heat and everything. So. All right then. Well, there now. Hey, yes, hot out there, guys. Let me cover some of this skin off here. Hold on, sorry, my bad. But guys, we're all rolling out. Got hot here, so head home. Try to drive safe. Other guys came. There you go. Last view right here. Woo! Thank you for everybody again who came by and who was here with us, chilling. Hopefully next time we gather again, we'll see everybody else together. Peace.